G'day subscribers, today we've been asked, how do you start an FJ Holden? You're with Jules Knight on Jive Talking Garage. G'day subscribers. So we've been asked, how do you start an FJ Holden? So I haven't started the FJ for a couple of weeks, so it's a matter of giving you a little run through. Okay, so keys going into the ignition, and you might notice on my ignition I have a little scratch plate. I've only seen that on mine, Michael Bishop's and Ron Goodhu's car. We give it a little bit of choke. So I'm going to put the car into neutral. Give it 3 pumps of the accelerator, and when I push the starter button, what I want to be doing is depressing the accelerator pedal. And there we go, that's how I start my FJ. Now, I'm just going to back out a little bit. There's nothing coming here. Okay, so I'm at the end of the driveway. I'm going to turn the choke down. So what I do with changing gears is I don't hold the gear lever like this. I hold the gear lever like this to change gears, because with the gear pattern, so that's first, that's reverse. So we're going first, second, and third. Now what I noticed when I put my ute on the road is I'd let my friend drive when it was brand new, and what she did was she was holding it like this, and then as she went to change gear into second, well, she was not quite getting this piece right here and grinding second on the way into that gear. So by having it in first, holding your hand on the gear lever, and you move when you're changing gear to neutral, it wants to naturally then go up and then fall into position, and so then you can straight away turn it into second gear by just thrusting upwards. So second, and then obviously third. So it's first gear to you, second gear, holding it wrist up, down, allowing it to fall into the neutral position. It'll fall forward and then straight up into second. So that's how I change gears in the FJ. So we've just covered starting the FJ and also changing from first to second. You've been with Jules Knight on Jive Talking Garage.